The pace of change in the business environment and the digital revolution has created a growing division between high-performing companies who concentrate on external risks and embrace innovation, and mid to low-performing firms where internal operational risks are more pressing. The BDO 2018 Global Risk Landscape Report reveals that business leaders across EMEA, Asia-Pacific and the Americas are feeling the effects of a riskier world. But those who are more agile and harness innovation are typically those who are also more successful.
Business leaders need to understand that business is changing so much more quickly than it ever has done. Newer entrants into markets are actually much more agile. The longer standing businesses are finding it quite difficult to keep up. A firm's leadership needs to embrace change. You need a culture of being able to adapt, be innovative and agile. The ultimate danger of failing to innovate is that you don't have a business. And a business that's not agile today won't be a business tomorrow.
Online information and accessibility to suppliers has pushed competitiveness levels up across all industries around the globe. New ways of developing and delivering products are challenging supply chains, geography, and legal frameworks, reflecting the importance of agility in managing both external and operational risks.
Supply chain risks are increasing. North America Free Trade Agreement is being unpicked by the current US administration. In Europe, Britain is leaving the European Union, and so there are trade barriers going up there. That's going to have an impact on a lot of quite complex and quite long supply chains. Environmental risk has increased, and that's having an impact with matters such as climate change. That's a global issue that's facing all businesses, and businesses that don't adapt and change to that, they will suffer as a result. The businesses that are able to have that first mover advantage will be the ones that will be the giants of tomorrow.
Research from the Global Risk Landscape Report finds that the primary impact of innovation for high-performing companies is on their customer centricity, reflecting their need to innovate in order to grow and strengthen customer relationships.
Every business needs to be totally customer-centric. Businesses need to have a two-way conversation with their customers. They need to listen. The benefits for a business that really does plug into customer needs, customer perceptions and requirements is that instead of looking at a national market, they're now looking at a global market. In the report, the respondents said that the greatest benefit of innovation and agility is that they've benefited from greater customer retention and demand.
At a time of great regulatory reform and economic upheaval, there is no doubt that the evolutionary pressures which threaten the existence of businesses are increasing in strength and number. It is critical to make sense of how business leaders can keep pace through being agile, investing in innovation, and focusing on customer centricity to steer through the global risks in 2018 and beyond.